At Salmon Family TV channel. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Today is Friday, August 5, 2025. And now we are at Sunflower Supermarket where we purchased a case of juice and a case of water is at the cashier. So whenever we go to the cashier and we purchase both cases, water and juice. At the restaurant, because it is so raining, we have been rain, so we could not get to do around the restaurant. So at this time, we are going to go to the cashier where we are going to purchase a case of juice and go on the road to deliver food to our senior citizens in the community of Grange, in the parish of Hanover. Please follow us. See, it's raining here, and so we are heading to Dixie to deliver his food, juice and water. It's raining. Dixie! Woo-hoo. Wow. Rainy day, rainy day. Dixie! Yeah. Give me a bag. Give me a bag. Yes, Reda. It's raining here. Take your time. No, you can't come out. So I have to come for his bag and go back up to the car to get his food. Raining here, rain. What can we do? We cannot do nothing. God is good all the time. And all the time God is good. I'm waiting on him to come with his bag so I can put his food in. You can't find no bag. Yeah, because the rain. Give me the bag. So I'm gonna go for the food to come back.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah. It's raining. It's a rainy day. It's a rainy day. take that food go there. Yes. Alright. Alright, sir.
Yeah, man. All right, cool. Yeah, man.
Where are you running? Here. It's a rainy day today. Guys.
Yeah. Weiter, aber schon mal. Ja, aber. How are you? Yeah, like
Me? Alright. It's raining today. So enjoy your food. Enjoy your food. Enjoy your food, right, Steve? Excuse me, rain is coming over. Come, rain is coming over. Have a blessed afternoon. Please follow us and like and subscribe. It's raining here. So we are at Nevis. Nevis. So weather day today. Weather. Walk up further. Come further. There's a food. You see that stay no longer today. It's raining. Oh, here's the water. Yes. There's the right? Alright. Ready for some minutes. So we are here. Vanessa is coming. Hi Vanessa, please come. Good afternoon.
Good evening, yeah.
It's weather here,
Yeah,
but thank God
yeah.
we are alive and well, don't
Yeah,
it?
thanks.
Enjoy your food and
Yeah.
have a blessed Friday.
Yeah, thanks.
Alright, bye-bye. Oh, it's a bumpy ride. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, those potholes. Ooh. Ooh, wow, wow. It's a bumpy ride there. Heading around that deep corner. Lovely showers of rain. We have to give God thanks for the showers of blessings that we are getting. And so we are heading right at Mrs. Gate to deliver our food, juice and water. Alright, please follow us. As we get out of the car. Jesus, please send more rain. Alright, you okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. Have a blessed day.
Same to you.
Alright.
Where are you live?
Inside.
Get away.
up now?
Tell me.
Tell me now.
Good afternoon.
Good.
That's right.
Yeah.
Are you happy for today?
Yeah.
You love the rain?
Yes, love you, yeah.
That's right. Enjoy your food and juice. Alright?
One day great again.
Come on. Enjoy your food.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright?
When put you on the free.
That's right.
One day great again.
Alright.
So early Monday.
Mm-hmm.
And we what's up tonight? And it's early.
Alright. Have a blessed day. Where are you, Kingsley? Yeah, Kingsley. So he's coming. And so the rain has eased off a little, thank God. Yes, rain. But we can't do nothing to it. Right. How are you this afternoon?
Alright.
Give thanks. You have to hide from them? Eh.
Alright, Miss. One friend. Alright, thank you.
Hi, Spar. How you doing? You good? I hear your Spar. Why you walking like that? You must pull up your pants. Eh, yeah? Alright. Enjoy your food. You're welcome. What happened? Oh, she's waiting on the food because of the rain. Alright? Alright, Spar. Yes. So we are going back into the car. It's a little joke. This gentleman is giving a little joke. It's nice to have fun. No problem. You can say something. Alright. Yes, sir. Is it time for it now, you know? Okay. How are you?
Not too bad, man.
Alright. There's a grandson. Oh, I'm in there, incoming. Yeah. Hi, Anthony.
Alright, Miss.
Okay, my brother, enjoy your food. Alright, Anthony. So we are going back into the car. The rain has eased up a little. Thank God it's Friday. We cannot do nothing towards the rain. But we have to give God thanks. Because He's our way maker. He does everything for us. Alright, so please like, share and subscribe. And please follow us as we go on the road to deliver the stuff food to our senior citizens. in the community of Green. You can see this dog here every Friday. This dog is here. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Get away. You need food. Get away. Alright? Come in. How are you this afternoon? Here's our goose. Water. Come. Enjoy your food and have a blessed evening. In spite of the weather, but we are still here. What can we do? We can do nothing. We have to give God thanks for the beautiful rain that He has sent. Okay. Alright. So enjoy your food. Alright. You have a nice afternoon. Yeah. We're heading up. Back to the car.
You can't take it good.
Go back on the road. is coming over again, and so it's our last serving for this afternoon. So viewers and subscribers, please like, share, and subscribe. And although it is raining, but we try to get some video out. Alright? So have a blessed afternoon, and thank you all. May God continue to bless you. Bye.
This is the end of it for this afternoon. We have a rainy day.
Yes. But we have to give you a chance.
Yeah.
It could be worse.
Yes.
Alright.
So enjoy. We are all going to enjoy our food.
Yes, I enjoy mine every Friday. And so I just thank the Salmon.
Oh yes.
Alright?
Oh yes.
Bye.
Bye.